Welcome. Today I have a cube block puzzle of pets that I am going to give some tips how to easily and correctly do it. I am going to do a cat today from the 6 pets available. Let's grab a part and examine it. As you can see, the block has 6 sides and only one side are for the cat. You can see edge color strips with different colors but not a clear sign what side is the cat's. Let's try another. On this piece you can see perfectly the cat's face but less edge-colored strips. When making a puzzle you have a photo like this one that shows the final result. You can see a purple strip all around the edges, so let's look for these first. Here is one of those purple strips. These strips should be against the edge of the base all around, so it is a good place to start. Here is a cat's ear. Let's place it somewhere on the left as per picture. Most puzzles don't have colored strips but they have flat sides with no holes or knobs. Let's look for another purple strip. Here is the ball of wool. Let's put it aside for now. Let's continue look for purple strips. Here is one purple strip and the picture looks like the cat's tail, so I will put this piece on the lower side of the base. As you can see, the strips are along the board edge. Let's continue looking for more strips until we fill the entire board edge. Here is another one. I am not sure, but I think this goes on the lower side, or maybe on the right side, so I'll put it there for now. Let's look at another one. I can see right away part of the cat here. No strip, so let's put it aside for now. On this one we can see the purple strip not in one side but on 2 sides or corner. Puzzle parts with corners can only go to one of 4 locations. Looking at the picture, and since I see a yarn on the piece, I can see this one goes on the right lower corner. You have now 2 pieces that match. Let's continue out search for the purple strips. Here is the cat face, let's put it aside with the others. On this one we have the cat ear and part of the back, let's put it aside. Let's continue our search. Here is part of the cat and the strip. This one goes on the right side if compared with the picture. This 2 are in fact together and we have now 4 together. Let's continue the search for the strips. Here is another one with the cat's face, so definitely this goes somewhere in the middle left. Let's get another one. This one has a strip and it seems a window frame. Definitely goes on the top. Let's park it here for now. Let's continue and get one more. Here is the purple strip, a window frame and butterfly. Let's put this on the top as well. Here doesn't look right. Let's try the other side. Perfect. Almost done filling the edge. Let's get the next piece. Here is another corner. And a cat's paw. This definitely goes on the lower left corner if you look at the picture. Let me arrange a little bit the pieces so they look straight. 3 pieces to go before we move to the middle section of the puzzle. Here is another corner strip with a window frame. This belongs to the top right corner. Perfect. We now have the right side complete. Let's get the next one. Another corner, frame and bushes. There is only one corner left, the top left one. This one should have the last piece with purple strip. Here is the strip and the cat paw. There is no way to miss this one since there is only one place left on the edge. Now we have the edge completely done. Time to put the center pieces. Let's start with the front part of the cat. We have half of the face, let's get the other half. Here is the other half. I can see one of the eyes, for example. I see part of the ball of yarn here, let's find the rest of the ball. Here it is, let's put it in place. Only two left. Let's get the piece that has the continuation of the cat's back. This one seems correct, let's try it on. Perfect. Now let's just place the last piece into the puzzle. And we are done. All complete. Let's remember again. I started to do the outside of the puzzle looking for the purple strips. And then finished the inside. You can do it your own way, start on the top, left or right, or like I did outside in. It does not matter as long as you have fun and learn in the process. See you next time. Bye.